code for this. I'll shift it. This is our problem. Find the value of R1, R2 is asking. We don't know that resistances that has to be determined. So what we have here is, what are this circle? It's a so like a voltage source only. I'm just using some other symbols here. Now look at this current, 10 ampere. We'll start with this. Here how much of current? 10 ampere. Here how much? 5 ampere. The resultant how much? Will be 15 ampere. Let me define this node P. And what about this node? This node will be some other color. Yeah. 100 volt. Let me write VP. And this will be 40 volt. And this should be 0 volt. We'll define the potentials like this. Okay, rest all, we'll write the equation. So VP minus 100 by 14, VP minus 0 by 2 ohm, plus this will be VP minus 40 by R2. This R2 is unknown, no? Now, what is the biggest problem like here? What we have? The potential we don't know. If you know VP, then we can bring R2. What to do? I don't know potential. So let me go back to how the current flows. We have the direction of current. So current enters, leaves. So let me write separately equation. VP minus 15 into 2 minus 0 equals 0. So what is VP equal to? 30 volt. I know potential at point P 30 also. Let me substitute 30 minus 100 by 14, 30 by 2 by 2, 30 minus 40 by R2. Solving this, I'll get expression for R2. So minus 70 by 14, 15. Again, I encountered mathematics. 70 by 14, 35. Oh, yeah, it'll be 7, 10, 2. This will become 5, I think. Yeah. 70 divided by 14 will be 5. Okay, this is equal to 0. So minus 5 plus 15 equal to 10 by R2. R2 is equal to 1 ohm. If you know R2, okay, how to get the R1? We don't know R1. Okay, I'll use a very simplified method rather than messing up things. So can we predict this current? So because I know potential at point P 30 volts, so 40 minus I2 R2 minus VP equals 0 because I got the value of R2. I'll get the expression for current I2. So 40 minus I2 1, VP is how much? 30. So I2 equal to 10 ampere. There's a value of I2. If I2 is 10 ampere here, then what should be the current here? I3. I3 plus 5 ampere should be equal to I2 from the KCL. So from the KCL, applying KCL here at this point, So what is the value of I3? And I2 is how much? We got 10. Should be 5 ampere. No, I know. Now I can go for this one. Let me write loop equation from here. 100 minus I3 R1 minus 40 equals 0. What I did here like this. Plus 100 minus, why negative sign? Why I3 R1? Because I am moving from in the direction of flow of current. If you move from the direction of flow of current, the IR drop should be negative. Because where current enters, that where if a current enters a component, that should be positive, where it leaves should be negative. So minus I3 R1 minus 40 equals 0. So I know value of I3. So 100 5 R1, this one. So 100 minus 40 is 60. So R1 is equal to 12 ohm. Different methods.